Let's learn the meaning of simple statements. In the previous video, we learned what a statement is. A statement is a declarative sentence which is either true or false. Now let's look at simple statements. A simple statement is a statement that contains a single idea. That is, in that statement, you only have just one idea. One. Let's look at some examples. Examples of simple statements. The first one, Accra is the capital of Ghana. Now here, this contains just a single idea. But if they were to say Accra is the capital of Ghana and is in Africa, that contains two ideas. That is the capital of Ghana and being in Africa. But here we just have Accra is the capital of Ghana, which makes it a simple statement containing just one idea. Another example, I am happy. This is also a statement that contains just one idea. Another example, Tola is a boy. This is also a simple statement containing just one idea. But if the statement says Tola is a boy and in SS1, so that means that contains two different ideas. That is the class Tola is in and the gender Tola is. But here we just have Tola is a boy, which contains just one single idea. Another example, 2 times 3 equals 6. This contains just one idea, since we just have 2 times 3 equals 6. Thank you.